to hear the old guys talk about history and cars they made. Didn't mean much to me then. I had missed those years. But now I think about how they felt when it was happening. We were called an experiment. You see, what someone figured out is that there's something more important than machinery and equipment. You want to get a good product out the door. It's about people. Their struggle to do something they've always wanted to do, but never had the chance. No time clock, no foreman, just you telling yourself what to do. And if you have 8,000 people making the right decisions individually with the company and the car in mind, then you have 8,000 people that own that car. And every car that goes out, that's the way I feel.